Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at number system, the first course in our IJMB and JUPEB outline. What are number systems? Under this course we're going to be looking at odd numbers, even numbers, and base number system, how to convert from one base number to the other. So what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers that whenever you divide them by 2, you get a remainder of 1. Example is numbers like examples are numbers like 5, 3, 1, or minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. Even numbers are those numbers that whenever you divide them by 2, you get the remainder of 0. Examples are 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 8, minus 10. So you can simply do the calculation and you'll be able to determine whether they are odd numbers or even numbers. So very good example, these are odd numbers. Another example is 13. 13, when you divide it by 2, what are you going to get? You get 6, remainder 1. So once you have a remainder of 1, you call them odd numbers. But even numbers like 10 divided by 2, you get 5. So remainder what? 0. So once you divide and you have no remainder, you call them even numbers. So as a way of assignment, I want you to make an expression to explain with example what even and odd numbers are. So this assignment, do it and submit your answer in the description part of this video on the YouTube so that I will see them. Make an expression to explain with example what even and odd numbers are. So do it, put the answer. I want to see the most brilliant students on my channel. In subsequent classes, you're going to be seeing videos on base number system. So check the playlist. I'm going to be creating a new playlist for all our JUPEB and IJMB class. So I'm going to arrange all the lectures that we are going to be treating according to the syllabus in the playlist. So after seeing the first, you see this next immediately. So in the next video you're going to see on the playlist, you're going to be seeing base number system, how to convert from base 10 to other numbers, to other number bases, and how to convert from other number bases to base 10. Please hit the subscribe button immediately. If you're not a paid student, better pay immediately so that we'll add you to the WhatsApp group where we teach our students that are really our own. So you can also be getting our free lectures by subscribing and hitting the WhatsApp link. But once you pay, let me know so that I'll add you on the other WhatsApp link where we'll monitor our students and follow them up. Thank you and God bless.